You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Monday, the 16th of February. What a beautiful day today. If you like the weather today, you'll like the weather tomorrow. Maybe some showers later in the week. And Saturday, the forecast is pretty iffy here. All kind of model madness. So all the new data's in. We'll take a look at it together. As we like to do, we'll begin with the current situation. This is where we stand now. This is the upper air look, and we have a northwest flow aloft, and that is pulling in very dry air. Got a big trough coming into California and the west coast, where they've got a lot of rain and snow there. And that will be ultimately producing some rain here later in the week and maybe early in the weekend. We'll check the visible satellite view. What a great day today. There are some clouds over the southwestern corner of the state. Other than that, nothing but sunshine. We'll check the national radar composite. And for much of the country, it's a dry day today. The exception is out west. Again, big rains and mountain snow in California. That's beneficial. They actually need that. Might not be the most convenient thing in the world, but they need it. The east is rather quiet, and it feels good. We've got temperatures in the upper 60s in most spots. Again, it's cooler in Mobile because of this cloud cover they've had. They've had persistent clouds, so Mobile kind of missing out. It's 59 degrees there. It's 59 at Chatham in Washington County. Gulf Shores at 61. But where the sun is out, feels good. Look at Birmingham and Anniston, both cities at 70. Everybody should be in the 70s tomorrow and really for the rest of this week. We'll check the watch warning map, the western half of the nation lighting up like a Christmas tree. Look at all those colors. Goodness, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, wind advisories, red flag warnings, you name it, we've got it. Winter storm watches up on the Canadian border. But again, that's all with that big trough coming into the western states. The east is quiet. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. If you look really carefully there's a low-end marginal risk of severe storms on the southern half of the California coast. This is tomorrow. No severe storms expected. Maybe some thunder for parts of California, the upper Midwest, and around the Great Lakes. Day 3, Wednesday. No severe storms expected. Maybe some thunder for Kentucky and Tennessee, north of here, and also through Michigan over toward Pittsburgh and Buffalo. And then on day 4, if you look really carefully on the map, you see a little yellow circle around the Ohio River. That's a risk of severe storms on Thursday. Places like Cincinnati, Louisville, Evansville, Indiana, Paducah, Kentucky. And we'll kind of take a look at modeling here in just a second. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days. And let me quickly see if by chance we have this updated. We're live here at 3:04. Not quite, but the basic idea is the same. We're going to see rain amounts over the next 7 days. For the northern half of the state, about 1/2 to 1 inch, under 1/2 inch for the south. And again, we'll start to see a few isolated spotty showers Wednesday, Thursday. The better chance of rain will likely be somewhere in that Friday, Saturday time frame, as you'll see. So let's see what this new model data looks like. Model fans, European, 12Z run, 3 o'clock tomorrow. Got a ridge axis in here. Big trough out west, ridging here. And again, a beautiful day. Now, we start the day tomorrow morning in the 40s in most spots, highs in the 70s for most all of the state. Nothing but sunshine, a gorgeous day. So Wednesday, we'll be in the 70s, very warm for this time of the year. And again, moisture increases, and there could be a few little spotty showers about, but probably not many. And really the same thing on Thursday, the better dynamics for showers and storms north of here. And again, there might be some strong, maybe severe storms over parts of Kentucky and southern Illinois, Indiana. But again, around here, just isolated showers. So let's look at Friday. And again, we got model madness. The confidence is low in any specific solution here. But on Friday, this is suggesting a surface boundary could drift in here, maybe down toward US 278, and a chance of showers and thunderstorms along and south of that boundary. And then this is Saturday morning, and the boundary kind of hangs up. If anything, it might be drifting north as a warm front. So the European now suggesting we might see some rain into Saturday morning. Again, this is Saturday, 6 a.m. Rain, maybe some thunder. And then Saturday afternoon, that axis of rain pushes to the south, a chance of rain and storms over the southern half of the state Saturday afternoon. And this will probably change again. Don't take any of this to the bank. So again, the concept is that we have, for Saturdays, you plan your weekend out. There's a chance we could see a batch of rain and storms Saturday morning for places like Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden. Then it drops south Saturday afternoon to affect places like Montgomery, Mobile, Auburn, Greenville, Troy, Eufaula, Dothan. But again, this could easily change. In fact, let's look at the GFS. Same time. This is Saturday at 3 o'clock. Radically different solution. It's got a chance of rain and storms statewide. It's showing a chance of snow in northern Arkansas and southern Missouri. But remember, at this range, traditionally, the European, because of the data assimilation, the grid resolution, it just performs better. And we're going to lean in that direction. In terms of any severe threat, this is really when the European is suggesting the instability value should be highest. This is Friday night at midnight. It's got surface-based Cape values almost up to 1,000 joules as far north as Interstate 20. But really, there's not much convection showing up here. This is the flash density product with the better jet dynamics a little north of here. So it's about as clear as mud. But for now, we're going to mention a chance of showers and thunderstorms Friday night, and Saturday. The better chance of rain Saturday morning over the northern and central counties, and then by Saturday afternoon, shifting into the southern counties of the state. And there could be a strong storm involved. There's no doubt the instability is going to be better here, but we'll just have to wait and see how the dynamics play out. We just don't know that yet. Nobody does. But we are very confident that Sunday will be dry and noticeably colder. Notice the 540 thickness line down to Birmingham on Sunday. Highs will likely drop into the 50s. For the northern third of the state, 60s in South Alabama. And then a week from today, this is Monday the 23rd, northwest flow aloft and a colder air mass. This is not some kind of big Arctic blast like some people are making it out to be. Highs Monday will be mostly in the 50s. And there's no doubt, Monday and Tuesday morning, we could see a light freeze for the northern half of the state, which is very routine for mid to late February. But again, the day should be sunny. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 26th of February. Got a pretty good trough coming through the Rockies. And again, they need that snow, that mountain snow. And for us, that looks pretty quiet. At the moment, a pretty good chunk of next week looks to be rain-free. And again, we'll start the week cool with highs in the 50s, but we bounce right back with highs in the 70s toward the end of the week. Snow lovers, well, that's not good. This is the probabilistic outlook for snow 1 inch or greater between now and the 3rd of March, and for Alabama, just basically nothing there. But as we get into March, it is the wildest month of the year. Anything goes. This is the rain for the next 15 days coming off the European Ensemble, the AI version. We're looking for the green line on that chart. That's the mean of the ensemble members. And the mean, it's about 2.5 inches between now and the 3rd of March. Temperatures off the NBM National Blend of Models. And again, this is for the middle of the state. Remember, if you're in South Alabama, add on a few degrees here. So Thursday, we're showing 78 there. South Alabama might see low 80s. 70s on Friday. But then notice Monday, the high drops off to 52. Lows around freezing Monday and Tuesday morning of next week. But we bounce right back with temperatures back around 70 by Thursday of next week. And just in, hot off the press, latest long-range guidance. This is for the 24th of February through the 2nd of March. Based on pattern recognition. I promise we're showing you new maps. They just look the same. It's looked this way for a week or so. But again, temperature should be above average as we go into the month of March around here. Hey, we got to roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. I love it. Homeschoolers. Albert Scott Library in Alabaster. Got the kids in there. Got the moms and the dads. Did a weather program, and we had a great time today. And check out this cake. That is outstanding. Love it. But listen, we did some storm spotting. Come on, we need some more storm spotters in Shelby County. Talked about weather safety, how we forecast the weather, hurricanes, tornadoes, and a lot more. That was fun today. So again, to everybody at the Albert L. Scott Library in Alabaster, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys are looking good. So tomorrow I will be in, going to be in Colbert County at New Bethel Elementary School. A little below Tuscumbia. That'll be a lot of fun. And then I'll be swinging by Northwest Shoals Community College for a visit there. Wednesday, Ohatchee Elementary School in Calhoun County. Then on Thursday, going to be in Huntsville, Ridgecrest Elementary School. After that, I'll be stopping by Wallace State Community College in Hanceville. Friday, got a program for University of Alabama Cross Point students. That'll be Friday morning. Saturday morning, it is the Blue Cross Blue Shield of Alabama Kids Marathon. Weather's a little iffy here. We'll see how that plays out. Again, the latest European model data not looking especially good, but that could change. Listen, the confidence is not especially high at this point. And then Saturday night, I'll be at the Alabama Theater in downtown Birmingham to MC the annual Hoover High School Beauty Walk. I want to say I've been doing that for over 20 years now. Goodness, time flies. But busy week, but a good week. Don't forget, it's Monday night. Hey, tonight's Weather Brains. We're going to talk about the tornado up in North Dakota that was upgraded to an EF5. Kind of controversial in the weather community. It's going to be an interesting show tonight. We'll have some folks on from Weather Service offices up north. That's for weather geeks, dweebs, nerds, dorks, and weenies. 7 o'clock Central Time on the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains. You can see me on ABC 3340 News this evening and hear me every day on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham, Classic Rock 106.9. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous Monday evening, and God bless.